Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to connect two devices by using Cisco Packet Tracer. So first open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see, this is a workspace where you are going to work. By using Cisco Packet, you can connect two devices that can be of same type or different type. Now if you see, it is showing the network devices here. Again, it is showing the end devices. End devices can be PC, laptop, server, network computer, printer, phone, TV, tablet, smartphone, and so on. Multiple devices are there. Again, it is showing the different components. That is a MCU board and CSB board. After this, it is showing the connectivity. It is showing the console type of connection. Again, copper straight cable, again copper crossover cable, fiber optic cable. This type of cable is used for phone and so on. For different devices, different type of connection is there. Again, you can select the automatic connection also. Again, see, for end devices, again it can be of fan, Bluetooth speaker, home speaker, door, again AC. Different types of end devices are there. Again, if you are considering it as a smart city, again it is showing the Bluetooth connection. Again, ceiling fan, power meter, RFID card. Again, if you are considering it as an industrial area, it is considering as a fire monitor. You can take as a second device. Again, AC, battery, again RFID reader, then signal generator, smart LED. Multiple options are given here. Okay, again you can consider power grid, as you can consider as a blower or power meter. Again, solar panel. Different options are given here. So we are going to connect just simple two machines or PCs. So here click on end devices, that is the second icon, and after this, first option in my machine is a PC, so just click on this. Like a drag and drop you can do. This is my first machine. Again drag and drop, this is my second machine. Now see, we have to establish connection in between these two machines. So before that, we have to set the IP addresses. So just click on this. It is showing the it is showing window like this. Now see, if you see backside of your CPU, different connecting options are there to connect the different kinds of wires. Okay, so first we want to set the IP configuration. So here you have to select the desktop option in that IP configuration. So if you open the IP configuration, again it is asking about the interface. It is a fast Ethernet. So just keep it as it is. Again, IP address you have to set here. Suppose I am taking IP address as a 150.150.150.5. You can take any address. So I have selected like this. If you click here, it is automatically generating the subnet mask. Again, see, if you go towards your configuration, it is showing the display name. So we'll give name as computer 1 for first machine. Okay, again go towards the desktop. We have set the IP address. You can close this window also. Now see, again I want to open command prompt. So click on this icon, command prompt. Now it is opened. I want to check the IP configuration for my first machine. So just click on IP config and press enter. Now see, we have given IP address as a 150.150.150.5. Yes. Again, if you want to see all the configurations of first machine, so just type ipconfig. Again, you have to give the space, then forward slash and all. Now see, it is showing all the connections with machine 1. So more are there. So it is showing the Bluetooth connections also. Now this was the setting for machine 1. So close this command prompt and you can close this also, and that's it. This was setting for computer 1. So same setting we will do for computer 2 also, but before that just we will write a note here that what was our assigned IP address to the first machine. So it was 150. This is for our understanding purpose. So type 150.150.150.5. This is my first machine. Now this is my device 2. Just double click on it. Now see, this is our another machine. Just click on it. Now see, it is showing its physical view. Again, go towards configuration. Give the name to the machine as computer 2. You can give PC2, whatever you like. After this, select the tab as a desktop. Again, in desktop, we want to set the IP configuration. So just select the first option, IP configuration. Now see, Ethernet is same, fast Ethernet, and we want the static IP. So click on static. Again here, we want to set IP address as 150.150.150 point anything. I will consider as a 9 and just press the enter button. Automatically, it will take subnets. Now see, we set the IP address also. We have set the name also. Now you can close this tab so that you will get all the terminals here. Now I want to open the command prompt. Type the command as ipconfig, press enter. Now see, it is showing this IP address is set to computer 2. Before sending any packet, we need connectivity. Also write here the IP address 150.150.150.9. This is IP address for this machine. Now I want to set the connectivity between these two, copper crossover, or you can take it as a automatic choose connection type. Suppose I take automatic choose connection type, and this connection is from this machine to this machine. So connection is established in between these two. Now see, as these two machines are of same type, that's why it has considered this type, that is a copper crossover connection. Now see, here we have checked whether IP address is set or not. Again, check all the details for this machine. So type ipconfig space slash then all. Just press enter. You will get all the connection details here. Okay. Now we want to check the connectivity. So for the purpose of connectivity, we have to use the ping command. So type ping. Now IP address of another machine is 150.150.150.5. So just press the enter. Now see, it is showing pinging this machine 150.150.5. Again, it is showing the status as a packet sent 4 and received 4 and lost is 0%. Means all the packets are sent between these two machines. Means connection is established in between these two machines. So in this way, we have seen that to connect the devices of same type and assign static IP address to them and check connectivity whether they are able to send the packets or not. So friends, if you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.